Dear children, we are the wonderful creation of God. Why am I saying like this, children? Because we are human beings. We are living as a family throughout our lives. We have humanity. We can share our love and sorrows to others. We can develop our skills. We can improve our knowledge and find new things in the world. Children, other living things cannot get this chance in the world. From the childhood onwards, you have learned many things, isn't it? For example, how to eat, how to sit, how to walk, how to run, how to speak, how to express your needs, how to write, how to live in the society. Yeah, you have learned a lot, isn't it? Everything is wonders. Children, just think of it. Really, all these things are wonders only. Am I correct? Yes. We have to use these skills and achieve a lot. Children, you should become achievers in the world. Be happy, be honest, be prudent. Okay? Yeah. Children, why did I share this to you? Because today you are going to learn a lesson. Nina wonders. This is an interesting lesson. Yeah, now let's get into the lesson. Here, I introduce you two participants of this lesson. Yeah, this is Nina and this is Nitin. Both are sister and brother. Children, in this lesson, there is a conversation between Nina and Nitin. Both the children, Nina and Nitin, play a game called Listen to Your Body. Children, say after me. Listen to your body. Very good. Children, can you say why are they playing that game? Children, do you know each parts of our body play a vital role? Our body has many wonders. We are the wonders. Yes, all the activities of the body has wonders. Every movement of the body is wonders. Children, how beautifully God created us. Always you should say thanks to God. Okay, children? Yeah. Now, let's move to the session. Children, listen very carefully. Okay? Yeah. Nina wonders. Nina, today I am not going to school. It is a holiday. I am not going out to play. It is too hot anyway. What am I going to do? Nitin. Nina, Nina, Nina. Nina does not reply. Nitin goes near her and shakes her head. Nitin, I called you 3 times. Nina, sorry, I didn't hear you. Nitin, let's play a game. It's called Listen to Your Body. Nina, really? How do we play that game? Nitin, sit down and do what I do. Nitin breathes in and out. Nina breathes in and out. Nitin, can you hear your breath? Nina, yes. Nitin, I can make my breath louder. Sss. Nina, I can make it even louder. Sss. Nitin places his hand on his chest, and so does Nina. Nitin, listen. Do you hear anything? Nina, laptop, laptop, laptop. Someone is playing a drum. Nitin, that's your heart. It beats all the time. It beats all day. It beats all night. Nitin claps his hand, and so does Nina. Nitin, I can make a song with my hands. Nina stands up and stamps her feet. Nina, ha! I can make one with my feet. Tippity tappity toe, stamp, stamp, stamp. Nitin places his hand on his tummy, and so does Nina. Nina, I can hear gudu gudu gudu. Nitin, haha, are you hungry? Goes the cooker. Nina turns to the sound. They both walk to the kitchen. Nitin, I think food is ready. Nina, how do you know? Nitin, my nose says so. Nina, one for me. Father, what are you both doing in the kitchen? Nina, we had the cooker. Nitin, we saw the Germans. The German is so sweet. Father, oh no, no more Germans. Before lunch, off you go. Children, now you are going to learn some new words from the lesson. Okay, children? Yeah. Children, look at the heading. New words. Say after me. New words. Wonder. Children, say after me. Wonder. Holiday. Children, say after me. Holiday. Shake. Children, say after me. Shake. Really. Children, say after me. Really. Breath. Children, say after me. Breath. Chest. Children, say after me. Chest. Louder. Children, say after me. Louder. Hot. Children, say after me. Hot. Beat. Children, say after me. Beat. Clap. Children, say after me. Clap. Stomp. Children, say after me. Stomp. Tummy. Children, say after me. Tummy. Hungry. Children, say after me. Hungry. Sound. Children, say after me. Sound. Ready. Children, say after me. Ready. Jamun. Children, say after me. Jamun.